Charlotte area residential and commercial broker Brooks here. Let's see a bit of downtown Concord today as we check out the Cabarrus Center meeting and co-work space. We enter and wow, but first off to the right, there's a small meeting space with pipes, valves, and fittings. Super cool. Then apparently, if you forget your charger or your battery dies, you can use the one from Flywheel. So much to see, but I have to veer left and show you this large meeting space. Now, think about all you can do here. Bring virtual teams together, have breakouts, maybe even an after hours or special event. When the room isn't being used, it acts more like a workspace with rooms to take calls or even work privately. Now, a fleeting moment for this impressive grand entrance. Let's walk past working and reading areas to the most beautiful aspect of this space. Did I mention this used to be an old bank? This off limits vault is now inviting us in with stained glass art, barred gates, deposit boxes across from a seating area, and the ultimate place to have a very secret meeting. All this fun could not happen without Sarah. Thanks for letting us tour.